Hi, I'm Mike Kelley. I'm talking to you today about home improvements and building improvements that not only save you money, but can make you money. Extraordinary. We are truly living in extraordinary times. Technology is what makes this time, right now, an extraordinary time to be alive. This is Moore's Law, and over the last 100 years, any tool that becomes information technology jumps onto this curve and experiences performance doubling every 12 to 24 months. And I want you to notice two things about this graph. First, how smooth it is. During war times, in peace times, depression, recession, good times, bad times, technology doesn't slow for any of our grand challenges. Second, it's curving upward. Faster computers are being used to build faster computers. Technology is what opens the door of possibilities. And the four possibilities we're going to talk about today are solar, windows, insulation, and metal roofing. Power. Technology powers innovation, including construction. Solar. America is racing to produce cost-effective, quality photovoltaics. The cost of solar is expected to be about $1 per watt by 2020, making it comparable to fossil fuels. Windows. Today, technology drives what is considered a quality window. Frame types, low-E coatings, and gas fills. Insulation. The same radiant barrier technology used by astronauts in space can produce dramatic results in your attic space. And metal roofing. Cool metal roofing technology is what makes metal roofing highly reflective and highly emissive. Solar. We are all concerned about energy scarcity, and especially as the cost of energy will continue to rise. But the truth is, planet Earth is bathed in 5,000 times more energy than we can use in a year. 16 terawatts of energy hit the Earth's surface every 88 minutes. In other words, there is no shortage of solar energy. We are only limited by our ability to capture the power of the sun and convert it to usable electricity. Accessibility. Fact. Electricity consumption is growing much faster than our power generating capacity. Solar is the accessible answer. The cost of solar has dropped 65% since 1995, according to the Sunshot Initiative, which is part of the U.S. Department of Energy. And Sunshot's goal is to make the cost of solar competitive with fossil fuels by 2020. About $1 per watt. And MIT just released a study that by the end of this decade in the sunny parts of the United States, solar electricity will be 6 cents per kilowatt hour compared to 15 cents as a national average. Solar actually pays you back. Installing a solar system can actually run your electric meter backward. Your electric utility company is required by law to install a meter that records the amount of power you are producing. Solar not only produces electricity, it produces energy credits that are valuable to utility companies. And the larger your system, the larger your check. Windows. In the last few decades, windows have undergone a huge technological revolution. Typically, windows have been a major source of heat loss and condensation problems in colder climates, and a major source of heat gain when trying to keep cooler air inside. Advances in window technology means that there is less air leakage and less absorption of radiant heat. It will help you save on your energy costs. Most windows let in way too much outside air, resulting in higher heating and air conditioning bills. The thermal properties of a window determine its efficiency in keeping outside air out and inside air in. Energy efficient windows utilize several different technologies. Number one, low E coatings. The coatings block a significant amount of radiant heat trying to enter and transfer into the building. Gas fills, argon and krypton gas fills allow for a considerable improvement in the thermal performance of the window. And also the frame type. The material used to manufacture the frame governs the physical characteristics such as the thickness and the weight and the durability. But it also has a major impact on the thermal characteristics of the window. New replacement windows or new windows in your new construction project also add instant value to your home or building. The average homeowner recoups 89.6% of the cost of new windows the minute they are installed. Energy efficient windows can reduce heating bills by 30 to 40%, helping your heating and cooling units last much longer. Insulation. A spacesuit can be 310 degrees on the side facing the sun and negative 290 degrees on the opposite side. But a flexible radiant barrier laminated into the fabric allows the spacesuit to reflect the searing heat of the sun and retain the body's warmth on the dark side. This same technology can produce dramatic results in your attic. Insulation technology. Roof shingles and decking absorb radiant heat generated by the sun, and then it transfers that heat into the attic space. And once typical insulation reaches its saturation point, it transfers the heat to the ceilings and the walls of the home. Space age answer: radiant barriers. They are insulation products that reduce attic heat by blocking up to 97% of the radiant heat trying to enter the building. The University of Nevada, Las Vegas conducted independent research and discovered that radiant barrier insulation can reduce energy consumption by up to 35% during peak hours in the summer and up to 29% over extended periods of time. Metal roofing. The science behind reflective and emissive roof systems is fairly simple. Any traditional roof system is exposed to radiation produced by the sun. This radiation is either absorbed or reflected. Highly emissive roof systems reflect a large portion of the infrared radiation. And as the surface of the roof system heats up due to absorbed visible and infrared light, the entire roof system heats up. And the phenomena associated with absorbing or reflecting this heat is known as emissivity. And metal roofing is the most radiant and emissive roofing systems available today. It's cool technology. Buildings consume 1/3 of all energy and 2/3 of all electricity. A roof can have a significant impact on the energy use in a building. Thus, the material selection is a very important decision. And cool metal roofing technology can reduce energy consumption and save you up to 40% on your annual energy bills. And metal roofing has a 90% reflectivity factor, reflecting solar energy and sending unwanted heat back into the air, drastically cutting your cooling bills. Metal roofing is highly emissive. It releases the absorbed heat even in warm and sunny climates. And emissivity makes metal roofing a great environmental choice. And next generation reflectivity and emissivity can be found in cool metal roofing systems. The advantages to you for metal roofing: it provides years of reduced energy costs. It increases the value and resale value of your home or building. And it qualifies you for significant discounts on many insurance policies. And it fits almost any roof and is very low in maintenance. It installs directly onto most existing asphalt roofs. And the advantage there is it will save you landfill costs, and it will save space in the landfill. And it lasts decades. It is very strong. It actually pays you back. There are federal rebates available for commercial purchases. Metal roofs are included on the U.S. EPA's Energy Star Roof Products Program. Technology. Technology means power. It means freedom. It means possibilities. And the day is fast approaching when technology will drive every aspect of home building and home improvement. Your home or building can pay you back. Give us a call today and we can answer more of your questions. Thank you.